Hello, good morning everybody. Okay, how are you today? I'm sure you guys good, right? And then you can enjoy your holiday. Okay, you know, since you guys have so many things to do at home, so now teacher wanna ask all of you guys, we're going to make a project. Okay, what project? This is from Unit 15 and Unit 16. The project is on page 165. Look, making percussion instrument. Right? Oh, this is so much fun, Look, making percussion instruments is so much fun. A teacher already make it yesterday, and then I use all the things that I have at home, so I don't need to buy anything. Look, I have 4 percussions over here. This one. This is from the cigarette can, and then me and Adrian tried to cut this paper. It's from gift paper that we have. This is old already but still good, right? And then we stick some stickers on it, right? And then this one also, look.